JNTU Kakinada R23 regulation, first BTech, second semester, supplementary examination schedule. January 2nd, 2025, Thursday. Subject Engineering Physics. Common to EEE, CSE, PHE. Communicative English. Common to Civil, Mechanical, ECE, IT, AME, Mining, Agri, CSE, Allied branches. January 4th, 2025, Saturday. Differential equations and vector calculus. Common to all branches. January 6th, 2025, Monday. Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Common to EEE, CSE, PHE. Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering. Common to Civil, Mechanical, ECE, IT, AME, Mining, Agri, CSE, Allied branches. January 8th, 2025, Data Structures. Common to CSE, IT, CSE, Allied branches. Subject Electrical Circuit Analysis 1, only for EEE. Introduction to Mining Geology, only for mining. Engineering Mechanics, common to Civil and Mechanical. Network Analysis, only for ECE. Fluid Mechanics and Mechanical Unit Operations, only for PHE. Engineering Mechanics, only for AME. Principles of Soil Science and Agronomy, only for Agri-E. Engineering Properties of Foods, only for FE. January 10th, 2025, Friday. Engineering Graphics subject, common to EEE, CSE, PHE. Engineering Chemistry subject, common to Civil, Mechanical, AME, Mining, Agri. Subject Chemistry, common to ECE, IT, CSE, Allied branches. Timing 2 p.m. to 1 p.m.